The old man, he got released from the Fed. Trump released him.
Yeah,
Trump wanted him.
Yeah, hold on, wait. He tried from the Fed, but he still got 200 years in the state.
Yeah, but in the state, he was, but he not on the state docket no more. You can't find him on the state network nowhere.
Now look, you gotta think like this, right? Remember I was telling you back in January that a new law had passed called the 5219 bill that states everybody is eligible for day to day as long as you're not sentenced or convicted as a life sentence. See what I'm saying? So he been gone 52 years. That's 104 years. If he get caught day to day.